Hello, my name is David Holper. I'm going to be telling you guys about how to solve exponent properties with quotients. So first of all, we're going to need a problem, and we're going to write out 5 to the 6th power over 5 to the 2nd power. Then what we're going to want to do is figure out how powers work. So if you don't know how powers work, I'm going to be telling you. So if you have a number here, you want to multiply this number by itself this many times. For example, we have 5 and 6. So you're gonna want to write. You're gonna want to multiply 5 6 times. So 5 times 6 or 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And we're gonna do the same thing down here, but only 2 times. 5 times 5. All right. Now you're gonna want to cross these out because they cancel each other out, and you're gonna be left with 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Which is 5 to the 4th power, if you make that into a power again. Because you have 4 here, and you have 4 5s multiplied by themselves. That's going to be your final answer. Okay, so next, what you're going to want to do is write out the next problem. And the next problem is going to look like this. This is a different kind of, this is the same thing, but with you're only working with powers. You don't need to worry about all the numbers and stuff. A second power and b to the first. So what we have here is, ignore that dot. What we have here is a to the 3rd power times b to the 4th power, and a to the 2nd power over a to the 2nd power and b to the 1st power, and outside there's a 3. So all of this to the 3rd power. So what you're going to want to do to simplify this is cross these out like we did earlier because they're like terms. So subtract 2 divided by 2 minus 3, geez. And that's a to the 1st power, but there's no, you don't ever write out the 1st power because that's multiplying by itself one time, and that's not possible. So now you're going to want to do the same thing over here. And you're going to subtract 1 from 4, and that's b to the 3rd power. So write this out. A, b, 3. So a times b to the 3rd power. And then you're going to want to put parentheses in 3 because you're not finished. You're going to multiply this 3, this 3rd power, to the one that's over here. And you're going to get a to the 3rd power. And then on the inside, you're still going to have b to the 3rd power. That's going to be your new equation. Now you're going to do the same thing that you did over here with the a and do it to the b. So 3 times 3 is 9. b. And then, so you're going to have a to the 3rd power times b to the 9th power. And that's going to be your final answer.